Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Sabby. In today's DIY, we're transforming this to this. Unbelievable, right? Kindly guys, reach the end. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well. On to our first project, I first spray painted the box silver to cover all the writings. I would like to appreciate all of you guys for watching my content. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and let's grow together, guys. So as the spray paint was drying, I took the mirrors out for breaking. I made sure they were broken into very small pieces as my boxes were small. At the base of this project box, we added a cardboard to make it firm. I then went ahead and glued the top flips and left them to dry. I sectioned the upper part of the box as I wanted to do different types of glass mirrors. I then started arranging down all the mirrors before gluing. This process is very important, guys, and also makes your work easy when gluing. I used contact glue to glue them down. After gluing all the mirrors, I left the Mosaic project to dry before spreading grout, then left the grout to dry overnight. The next day, I used a wet cloth to remove the excess grout. I our second project, this was a gift box, guys, and I just decided not to throw it away, not knowing I could use it for DIY one day. For the beds, we're also going to glue down a cardboard to make it match firm. For this particular box, we are doing a cube closed mosaic project, so I added more cardboards on the inside to add more weight before closing it up. For this one, I also repeated the same process of arranging all the mirrors down before gluing for all the 6 sides. I then left the glue to dry for about 1 hour before spreading out, and also left it dry overnight. As you can see, guys, for this project I used a lot of grout to cover all the edges, so I had to use a knife to remove the excess grout. I then cleaned our cube mosaic projects, and guys, that's it for our project. I decided to use one as a flower vase and the other as a cube candle holder. So guys, just to challenge you, imagine how useful the boxes you throw away can be. Just imagine that. Anything mosaic. Tell me if you love them in the comment section below. And please guys, don't forget to like and share to your friends, share to your family. Let them know they're not supposed to throw away their waste boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.